Hello guys, welcome to another video in this series of tutorial on Angular material with Angular. In the previous video, we have seen different types of buttons in Angular material. In this video, we will learn about toggle button in Angular material. Toggle button is a special type of button in Angular material. This is similar to radio button which we can see in HTML. This is same as radio button what we use in our HTML, and where user can select any one option here. As seen in this example, I have chosen London here out of these three options. So this can be used whenever you want to provide multiple options to the user, and from those options only one options can be chosen by the user. In those kind of scenarios, it is very useful in our application or website. Let's see how we can implement this in our application. As we already know, to add any Angular UI element, we need to perform three steps. Similar to that one, for this toggle button as well, we need to perform three steps. First step is go to app.module.ts and import the module which is corresponds to this mat toggle button. For this toggle button, we need to import mat button toggle module, and it is in the library of button toggle. So let me add that one. The second step is we need to import this mat button toggle module in the imports. So let me copy that one and paste it here. And the third step is go to HTML file where you want to use mat toggle button. First let me add one header for this one. I will add header as choose your location. As we are going to provide three options here, there is another Angular material tag that is mat button toggle group, by using which we can group different mat buttons within that one. So let me add one mat button toggle group. This mat button toggle group acts as a container for multiple mat buttons. So let me add three mat buttons here. For first one I will mention as Bangalore. Similarly, let me add two more mat button toggles. For second one, I will name as New York, and third one will be London. Now save this file, and to preview this one, go back to browser. Here you can observe we have added one title for this one, and we got a mat toggle button here. As you mouse over on this one, you can see the effect, and user can select any one option out of these three. This is similar to radio button in HTML. This is one of the widely used UI element in any website development or application development. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.